Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Here we have to tap on the privacy, and as you can see in advanced we've got encryption and credentials. Almost at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so basically and the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, your device will immediately remove the credential storage, will erase it. As you can see here, we've got also the evidence that the option worked, because we cannot tap on it again, at least right now. And be also aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates, clear credentials in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.